Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 26th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 4-hour time frame to start with. Because on the 4-hour time frame, to me, it does look like a possible complete correction. It looks like a W, X, and Y. It went right to the 50% fib, grabbed that liquidity that I was talking about last week, made a big impulsive move down, which means that there's a very good chance that this move up we're currently seeing is a pullback to this last move down. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame while keeping that in consideration, I am definitely looking for a pullback. So to me, this looks like a wave A. This looks to me like a big old giant expanding ABC of B, and this looks like a possible wave C right here. Definitely did respect the 61%. I mean, there is a possibility that this little push down is a trap and it goes up to the 78%, but I think this move up right here is very, very likely a crutch into this last move down. I definitely am looking for shorts, and if I do go short, the safest thing to do is put your stop loss above the highs. That's where you know you're wrong. It can do whatever it wants in between, this high and this low, and it could still be a crutch into the downtrend. So if you do enter short and you want to play it safe, then stop loss goes above the highs where you know you're incorrect about the trade. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.